Hello and welcome back to Biologics, and today we'll be talking about cancer. So, first of all, what is cancer? Cancer is a group of diseases characterized by the uncontrolled growth and spread of abnormal cells in the body. Normally, cells grow and divide in a regulated manner, but in cancer, this process goes awry. The abnormal cells can form tumors or spread to other parts of the body through the blood and lymph systems. There is quite a difference between normal cells and cancerous cells. So, many cells that continue to grow and divide abnormally are cancer cells, and normal cells have a specific shape. However, there are different variations in the size and shapes of the cancer cells. The nucleus of the cancer cells is relatively darker and larger than normal cells. An abnormal number of chromosomes are arranged in disorganized fashion in cancer cells. There are clusters of cells without a boundary, whereas normal cells have proper clusters with proper boundaries.
Now we'll be talking about the primary stage of cancer. Cancer, this term is used to describe the original tumor that originates in a specific organ or tissue. For example, if a cancer begins in the lung, it is referred to as primary lung cancer. If it starts in breast, then it is referred to as primary breast cancer. Now, these specific organs have a tumor, and these can further develop and affect other organ systems as well. Cancer begins with genetic mutations in a cell. These mutations can be caused by various factors such as environmental exposures, inherited genetic factors, or random errors in DNA replication. Now, as we can see in this image, there are two types here: hyperplasia and dysplasia, and cancer. Hyperplasia is an increase in the number of normal cells in a tissue, which can be a response to injury or irritation. When you have an injury, hyperplasia occurs where more blood cells arrive at the site of injury. However, in dysplasia, there is abnormal changes in the size and shape and organization of the cells within the tissue, which can be a precursor to cancer. And cancer is very similar to dysplasia. Now we'll be talking about metastasis. Now, a lot of times you would have heard in the movies or from doctors that the cancer has metastasized. This means that the spread of cancer cells from where they were first formed to another part in the body. For example, if it was first formed in the lung, then it would have further advanced to another organ. In metastasis, the cancer cells break away from their original tumor, travel through the blood or lymph system, and form a new tumor in the other organs or tissues of the body. The new metastatic tumor is the same type of cancer as the primary tumor. For example, if breast cancer spreads to the lung, the cancer cells in the lung are breast cancer cells, not lung cancer cells. As you can see in this image, the primary cancer is here in the intestine, but then it has moved to liver and lung. Now that is called liver metastasis and lung metastasis. Here the cells in the liver and lungs would not be liver and lung cells. They would be intestine cancer cells.
There are many types of cancers such as breast cancer, kidney cancer, lung cancer, prostate cancers, and skin cancer, and these are the ones that we've heard about because they are the most prevalent. And there are 6 types of symptoms that you should not ignore or be careful about and get yourself checked. For example, fatigue, coughing up blood with phlegm and aches in breathing or coughing, lumps or changes in your breast, weight loss or loss in appetite, unusual bleeding during your menstrual cycle, or problems while passing urine, or changes in your moles.
Thank you for watching this video. Please do not ignore any unusual changes that are happening in your body, and if you notice that these symptoms are happening with you, there is no need to panic. You need to get yourself checked to the doctor first and then come to a conclusion. We really hope that this video was helpful.
Thank you.